Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and today we are gonna make steak and tater bake. And I think you're gonna love it. It's gonna be super easy supper recipe. We're gonna start out with our oven at 425 degrees, and we're gonna get a bag of tater tots, all right? And I'm gonna pour them into this pan. First, I'm gonna spray it. We're gonna pour our tater tots into this baking dish, and we're gonna put this in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 minutes. So while your tater tots are baking for about 10 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and put in some butter. I'm gonna do about a half a stick. One onion that I have sliced up. So I'm just gonna saute this onion for a little bit. I'm gonna add in some pepper, coarse black pepper, Himalayan salt, or kosher salt, or regular salt, whatever you want. I'm gonna scooch these out of the way while they continue to cook, and I'm gonna get my tater tots out. So these are nice and soft. I'm gonna take something and I'm just gonna mash them down as flat as I can get them. As flat as you can get it, and see how it's kind of coming up on the sides too? You're just gonna make a little potato crust. To our onions, we're gonna add 2 packages of our shaved ribeye, and each package is 12 ounces. So I'm gonna cook this for a little bit until it's nice and brown. Add a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Or 3 or 4. 1 packet of onion mix. Onion soup mix. You can use Lipton if you'd like. I'm using Tenders. 1 packet of dried ranch. 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. 1 cup of sour cream. All mixed in really good and married together really good. So once you have holy matrimony here, now we're going to get our taters. Here I have 1 pound of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheddar cheese right over the top of our potatoes here. Just a little bit. Transfer my meat mixture right on top of that. So let's go into a 425 degree oven for about 25 minutes, and then we're gonna top it with the rest of our cheese for 5 more minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly on top. We've been baking 25 minutes, so now we're gonna cover with the rest of our cheese. Wow, that looks delicious. I'm going to put a few little chives on top. You can do fresh chives if you'd like, but I do have these dried chives just because I'm fancy like that. Steak and bake, baby. Let's give it a try. God dang, that looks good. Bite of everything. The cheese, steak. Now you can do this with hamburger meat too if you don't want to do steak. I'm sure hamburger meat would be just as good. This is delicious. Steak and tater bake. Go make this. It's delicious. You guys have to make this. You're gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love this. So good. So you guys remember to come and see us here at Local Flavor in beautiful Branson, Missouri. We are right on the strip on 76 Country Boulevard. We would love to have you here for lunch or supper with us. And remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see you.